In this video, we're going to answer the question, what happens if you win the lottery during your bankruptcy? So stay tuned, bankruptcy bailout buddies. Welcome, borrowers and debtors, to Bankruptcy Bailout. My name is Matt Burkus, Colorado bankruptcy and debt relief attorney. And today, in this video, we're doing a quick take on what happens if you win the lottery during your bankruptcy. So as I'm recording this video, both the Mega Millions and Powerball lotteries are at record levels, certainly top 10 jackpots of all time. So if you're in the middle of bankruptcy and happen to win, which is good for you, well, what happens with the bankruptcy? Well, the thing to remember about bankruptcy is that when you file bankruptcy, you create a bankruptcy estate. So the filing date is the important issue here. So that bankruptcy estate is composed of everything you own and all your debts that existed on that filing date, on that moment of time. So anything you receive generally after the filing date is yours and can't be touched by bankruptcy. The only exception to that is inheritance and life insurance. So in the bankruptcy law, there's a 6-month window after the case is filed for inheritance and life insurance proceeds if someone dies and leaves you money, basically, for the bankruptcy to get at that money. However, there is no generic or general windfall exception. So if you win the lottery after you file bankruptcy, you get to keep those funds and can just continue with the bankruptcy and get your discharge. The only operative factual question is, when did you buy the ticket? So if you bought your lottery ticket prior to filing your bankruptcy, well, then the bankruptcy has a claim on those funds because that lottery ticket is an asset and it existed prior to the filing date of your bankruptcy. If you purchased the lottery ticket after you filed bankruptcy, then the bankruptcy can't trust those, or bankruptcy can't touch those lottery winnings. Now, of course, if you win a ton of money, $200, $300 million, you can, of course, dismiss your case, pay everyone, and do that if you'd like. But there's no legal obligation to do that, and the bankruptcy trustee or the bankruptcy estate cannot touch your lottery winnings if you purchase a ticket after the case was filed. So I hope this has been a little interesting tidbit for you about how bankruptcy works and what happens if you are lucky enough to win the lottery during a bankruptcy. My name is Matt Burkus, Colorado bankruptcy and debt relief attorney. Best of luck to you.